Hey, what's up people? Welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 13, and in this lesson we are going to learn 4 techniques on how to select a letter, word, text, sentence or paragraph using your mouse. This might sound so simple, but I gotta let you know that even some experienced Word users might not be familiar with some of these basic techniques. Well, as it may have happened to you, after having typed your document, you might need to edit, correct, or revise a part or a sentence of that document. So let's see what those techniques are and how you can easily select the part of the text you want to edit. First one, and probably the easiest one, and you probably already know it, is selecting a couple of characters using your mouse cursor. Well, simply click on the beginning of the character, word or phrase you want to pick, and then hold down the left key on your mouse and drag your mouse to where you want, and then release. As you can see, the word or sentence you want is highlighted now. You can go forward or backward to select characters in your text, and then you can delete or replace them with characters you want by simply using backspace to delete it, or backspace is on your keyboard obviously, and or start typing to replace it with new words or phrase. Number 2, selecting a sentence. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click anywhere on a sentence you want to pick. It highlights the whole sentence from the beginning to the end. Number 3, highlighting a line in the text. Bring your mouse to the margin of the text. As you see on the screen, your mouse cursor becomes an arrow. Then place your mouse next to the line you want to highlight and then left click. It highlights all the characters in that line. Number 4, and the last one, highlighting a paragraph. Again, place your mouse next to the paragraph you want to highlight and double click. As you can see, the whole paragraph is highlighted. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out the next lesson, it's on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video, and also because it helps our channel a lot. Thank you so much guys. Until next time, peace.